Hey everybody, Chris Bassett here, and in this video I'll be showing you the fastest and easiest ways to transfer your photos and videos from your iPhone to a Windows PC. Let's get into it. A direct connection with a USB cable is going to be the fastest and most reliable. The thing to look out for is you're going to need a data cable, not just a charging only cable. Cheaper cables sometimes only charge and don't allow for file transfer. If you have iPhone 15 or newer, you'll need the USB-C cable, or an iPhone 14 or older, you'll need that Lightning connector. So, step number 1, unlock your iPhone. Step number 2, plug the cable into your iPhone and into the PC. On your iPhone, you'll see a pop-up that says Trust this computer, tap Trust, and then enter your passcode. Over on your PC, you'll probably get a notification in the lower right-hand corner that lets you know the connection was successful. Next, I'll open File Explorer and then scroll on the left side until I find Apple iPhone. Click on it, and then go to the internal storage, click on that, and then all of these files contain the photos that are actually stored inside your phone. This won't access iCloud stuff, but actual photos that are on the phone. So I like to minimize the window, that way I can drag the photo and drop it on the desktop. And then I'll go to my Photos file, and that way you can drag it and drop it into any of the photo files that you want to put it into. This works great, but only in one direction. You can take photos from your phone and put them onto your PC, but you can't as easily take it from your PC and put it onto your phone. The iPhone is a read-only for incoming files, so it manages the photo library through Apple's system, not a regular drive. Most modern Android phones support a bi-directional drag and drop feature without extra software. So let's take a look at another way to move photos that is easy and wireless. It's using the iCloud. So over on the phone, go to your settings, then your name, choose iCloud, and then Photos. Turn on the sync to the iCloud Photos. This will upload everything in your phone to the cloud. You may have to wait for everything to upload. This can take a long time if you have a bunch of photos and videos, so you may want to do it overnight, and especially on Wi-Fi. Next, over on the PC, let's go to iCloud.com. Scroll down and then sign in. There's a couple different ways to sign in. I think you can sign in with your email, a phone number, or a little bit lower over here, you can sign in with your phone. The email phone number, you'll need to remember your password, and the phone sign-in gives you a QR code. Once you're signed in, you can go ahead and scroll down to the photo section. You'll click the photos, and then you can scroll through all your available photos and videos that you have on the cloud. You can also filter by time and date to help search for a specific photo. On any of the photos or videos in the upper right-hand corner, there is 3 dots. Click that 3 dots, and there's your option to download or share or do whatever you want with that photo. After a few seconds, it'll show up in your downloads folder where you can save it, edit it, do whatever you wish. A few other great wireless options would be Google Photos, OneDrive, Dropbox, or Snapdrop. I'll save those for a different video. Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you'd like me to do a video on that. Otherwise, check out another video over here. Like and subscribe if this was helpful. I've got some affiliate links down below if you want to help support. I'd really appreciate it. Any other questions or comments, put those below. Thanks.